Hello guys, welcome to another amazing video. I want to share with you my profit for today on Deriv.com. Let's log in and let's see. So today I made some trades, so I recorded the video. So this is my capital is now 117. Yep. Started with $90 or so. Let's go to the options, and I will list out. You will see some of the trade I took. It was even and odd. Most of it was even and odd, and it went very good. And let the page load the network. So let's check some of the trades. I think I'm having network issue. It should load now. Okay, it's loading. You should try and have a good capital when trading. It really helps. In the video I'm going to be playing, you will see how I was able to recover when I was in a drawdown too. The trade was amazing. When you have a good capital, there is an advantage you have in the market. So let's see some of the trades. Yeah, let's go to the statement reports. As this is it, we are on the 5th of August. These are the trades I took. You can see the dates. So there's nothing to hide here. You can see all my trades. Most of it are, and this one is, I think it's over. Maybe, yeah, under 8. Yeah. So that's the trade I took. So I will play the video because I recorded the video of the trade I took, so you can know how everything works. So you can follow my step. So the next video you see now is about the trades. Thanks. Okay guys, this is the one I recorded. So let's get started. Restarted, but pick a strategy. I think I've done a mistake. This is not the strategy I want to use. I want to use the even odd self-aware. Yeah, that's what I wanted to use. Let's start the bots. It's already running now. As you can see, it may take some time to pick trades, so I will come back later. Let me just play some background music for now. I will fast the video so it can be fast. I don't want this video to be too long. As you can see, we have lost 5 consecutively now. So what do we do here? We go manual. That's the way forward. That's the advantage of having a good capital. When you believe in your strategy and the market just want to shake you down, so you just go manual. Let me use 14. I'm using 14 right now. So I will recover the bigger number. So I will just use a smaller stake to push through. That's the advantage of having a good capital. the market condition can't be the same always. So, but if you know the strategy you are using is good, the market will still come back to where you are. So it's all about believing in what you are using to trade. So you should be able to take a trade right now. Okay, it has gone. See, so Deriv can just do their own manipulation. But if you know what you are using, the kind of strategy you are using is good. You just have to be consistent. Some people with small capital have just quitted, like they won't be trading anymore now. But me, as there's a good capital, you can still keep on trading and find a good entry when the market has come back to your own advantage. So that's the advantage. This strategy is very good. I don't joke with it. And if I forget, our account management service is still on. If you are interested, can help you grow the account to be good or something pop up. Can help you grow your account consistently. If you want to know more, you can contact me. There's a link in the description. So just let me know and I'll give you all the details. Minimum starting, yeah, we have recovered that too. So minimum starting balance is $100. So just know about that. So if you are interested, let me know. So let us continue back to our normal stake. Since you have recovered, I will keep playing music in the background. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will just be fasting the video. So I hope you have understand now. So let me just play, let it run for a while. I will stop the video.
People, life be like river. Sometimes it come, sometimes it rough, but we still dey move. Keep your heart strong. Another sunrise, call my name. Another chance, another flame. Road been long, but I still stand. Faith and hope inside my hand. If the storm that tests my soul, I no go ever lose control. One more wave, one more tide. I love to be my compass guide crew. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, forward, never slow. If the wind blow harder, hold me tighter. If the rain fall longer, sing much louder. Every step we take today, not tomorrow's victory. Victory, victory. One more wave we go cross them. One more night, morning go come. No matter where the river flow, no go ever drown. Hand in hand, voice by voice, love go always make the sound. Hey, hey. One more way. Every stranger fit get better, and every tear will fall today go become joy one sweet day. Love no ask your tribe or name, every heart they burn the same. When we stand as one again, nothing ever be in vain. Stand as one.
So I'll be stopping the video here. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, check the link in the description. Thank you.